Hey guys, this is the CR6 pool cleaner from Sq.ft. Now you may see it online as some other names. There are several different names. They've gone through a rebranding process, but this is the 2024 version, the gray colored version of this cleaner. There are several of them that are just like this. This cleaner is intended to go up to about 1,614 square feet. You know, in that ballpark right there, in that range. This is a cordless robotic pool cleaner. One thing I'll notice about this, I've had several of these before and looked at several of these, reviewed several before. This one is heavier and much more sturdier than some of the other ones that I've looked at. So this weighs about 19.8 pounds, so nearly 20 pounds, okay? Big area right here to grab it with, a handle right here, little sensors right here. It's got a predetermined cleaning area and an all cover mode, so it can clean the walls, your water line, it can climb up steps, tanning ledges, it can do all of that, okay? Fine filter basket is right in here and easy access. Also, you'll notice on the bottom right here, this is where the water goes in, the inlet area right here. It's got some little flappers right here to direct the debris in this way. Cleaners, big brushes on the front and back that operate, you know, separately. Two here, separate ones, two here. Not a one big long one here. Okay, so they are separated like this. Big tracks to grip the bottom of the pool. Also, easy access for the battery. If the battery goes dead, we can just unscrew this here and get another battery, screw it in, and then we can continue, you know, down the lifetime of the pool cleaner, all right? So that's nice. A lot of the other pool cleaners have those batteries on the inside, make them harder to get to. So this thing is heavy duty, very impressive. Make sure we got this snapped on. There we go. So you can see it right here. So the water flows out the top here, the jet here, inlet underneath, and this thing is ready to get to work here. The CR6 from Sq.ft. Also, it's got a little interior voice that talks. I charged it up last night. It told me it was ready for charging. When we pushed the button on,
please enjoy your pool. Goodbye.
So I just turned it off. It was on. Watch me turn it on here and see what it says.
Welcome to the Shadow Pool Cleaning Robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
All cover mode, ready to work, and it tells you that it's just ready to go. This is like a plug and play type pool cleaner here. I charged it up and it's ready to go. I don't have to do anything else. It's gonna run for about 90 minutes in this pool, and I'm excited to see how it does. So let's put it to work. All cover mode, and she's ready to work. All right, let's throw it in. You can see some water flowing up from the top there. Okay, it's moving. It's on its way. All right, it kind of does a little wheelie when it senses that there is a wall coming up, so it will hop up. That is how it works. That's how it's able to climb the walls and steps. So it is still cleaning and working when it does that wheelie. Don't worry about that, because remember, the suction part is on that side underneath. So that doesn't cause any problems. So look, it senses the wall right there. Look at that, it's going up the wall. That's so cool. Technology is amazing. So you see it's got a predetermined cleaning motion. It goes and it turns. It goes, it turns a little bit. It goes, it turns a little bit. So you don't have to worry about it skinning your pool. Look, scrubbing the water line there. Scrubbing the water line. You won't get those little cheaper pool cleaners that you get. Most of them can't do this, all right? This is something that only a higher end pool cleaner can do, like one of these over here, okay? That one costs a lot more money. So it backs up, it turns. I can see it picking up stuff already right now. Now it's coming up toward us. Climbing the wall, look at that, that is so cool. An aggressive scrubbing motion on the water line there. Very cool. Look at that. So that water line can be a problem as debris settles on the water line, and if the water level, lowers and rises with the, evaporation, you can get crud along the water line sometimes. So that's really cool. And there's 2 brushes on both sides. So the total of 4 brushes, 2 on both sides. So those work together to really create a nice cleaning action on the water line. Now you see it backed up. It's doing a wheelie as it sees there's a wall coming up. Scrubbing action on the water line. You can see those brushes scrubbing hard. You can just see where it just went over the debris that it just picked up. The bottom of the pool is much cleaner in that little area where it just went over. So you can tell for sure that it is picking up stuff. Looks like there's a little caterpillar in there. You can see the debris on the bottom there. It's going over, scrubbing that and kicking it up and sucking it up underneath into the fine filter basket. So I have tested other pool vacuums. This one again has no cord, there's no timer or anything like that. You just charge it up, turn it on, drop it in and let it go. So now down here, we're in the deeper end here. We've got some deeper water here. You can see some slopes on the inside of the pool here. So now it's dealing with some other things it hadn't had to deal with yet here. Let's see how it navigates down there and does that. So it's going up the slope of the pool here. He's in the deep end, climbing the wall. That is just so cool how it can climb the wall. That's scrubbing the water line. And it's aggressive on that water line, right? It doesn't just do it a little bit. Probably a good 20 seconds or so on the water line. Now it's dropping back down. Let's see how it navigates this. Dropping back down. Now those tracks on the side have activated again. There's the drain down there. It just rolled over that. There's 2 drains down there. Rolling over theirs pretty easily. Now it's turning. Now it knows it's heading towards the wall again, so it's doing this little wheelie. Now it's climbing up the slope part right there. Again, attacking that wall. Look at it go. Getting that water line. This is really impressive so far. For the price point here on something like this, you're getting a lot of value here. Hey guys, next day with the pool vacuum here, we're gonna open it up. It's been sitting up, so it's got a little condensation in here. Set up overnight. We hadn't opened it up yet to take a look, but we're gonna go ahead and pop the top off real quick and take a look and just pull the basket out very easily. There we go. We can see all of the stuff that's in there. A lot of hair, a lot of pine needles. We can even see that there is a caterpillar, a dead caterpillar in here. It's spring season. See a little caterpillar right there. So also some fine little dirt particles, sand particles. So the pool wasn't super dirty, but again, this is definitely things that you don't want in your pool. So I really like this robotic pool cleaner, guys. I like the fact that the filter is easy to get to right here at the top. All we have to do to use this again is to just empty this out, rinse it out, put it back in and charge it back up right here, and we'll be good to go for about another 90 minutes or so on the pool cleaner. I like the tracks that it has on the side. right here for wall climbing ability. It talks to you right here. That's a pretty cool little feature right there. Also, big powerful brushes to scrub the wall. I like the easy access of the battery down here to potentially replace the battery in the future if we had to do so. I like the wall climbing and wall cleaning ability. Also, remember, it can do different types of ledges, like a tanning ledge as well. A really nice pool cleaner, and a lot of these cordless pool cleaners like this, some of the lesser ones or cheaper ones, you can tell they're not nearly as heavy, not as heavy duty as this. This one is sturdy. It's got a little more weight to it. It's got a little more power to it. I feel like a really nice robotic pool cleaner. So if you're in the market for one like this, I think this would definitely be one to consider.